Subi here. Today we're gonna be, sorry for the mess, but putting in brakes and rotors. Here's the brakes, rotors are in this box. Sorry for the huge mess. Oh, here's the strut, by the way. Probably won't be doing that today, but I got the rotors in here. Yeah. That's the old one. Here's the new one. Same process putting it back on. I just basically hit it with a hammer a bunch of times. And make sure you put the e-brake down because the e-brake activates these drum shoes. And make sure you wipe down all that grease. Alright, I'm using a C-clamp and one of the old brake pads to kind of push in the piston for the calipers. Seems to be working pretty good. The angle's kind of not convenient, but as you can see, the calipers pushed in pretty far back, so I can put these bolts back in. The new brake pads right here, StopTech from Raleigh Sport Direct. Slips right in. Looks like the other one I'm going to have to use the caliper method. Okay. Just face facing the rotor like this. It slips right in. Alright, that's the rotor. These two are the pads. Just like that. Now you take your dust shield plate thingy and try to clean it off. Now I don't remember how this kind of went on here, but I'm pretty sure something like this. Or is it this way? Yeah, it's this way. Then you take your pins, just put them in the holes. Perfect. Take your other one. There we go. Don't forget your little pin here. You're gonna want to put one through the top hole here, and then bend this one to put it through this hole. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. There we go. So that way these pins don't fall out, and we're done with one side. Now on to the next. Alright, got the pads out. Now I'm gonna clean up this caliper real quick. Spraying some greaser on this towel here and just kind of wiping it down. Alright, I finally got this side rotor off. It took a lot more hammering with this one. I actually had to damage this one quite a bit just for me to get this one off. Sometimes they're rusted on. The other side was it wasn't that hard to get off, but this one took quite a few hits. Now I'm just gonna clean it up, and then I'll put the new rotors and pads on. time for the pads. I might have to push in that piston a little more. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. They fit right in. Now we take our little plate here. I'm just gonna clean this off real quick. For that little, oh here it is, little pin here. There we go, it's all done. Alright, make sure you top off your brake fluid and put the cap back on. I think we're ready to take this on a test drive after I clean up all this mess. Alright, it did a couple of test pulls and brakes 10 times better than it did before. I am aware that these need some sort of break-in period, but no weird sounds or anything, and it stops pretty good. Hell yeah!